Welcome to Zen Supplies. We're happy to announce that we added two new packages to our family of Zen Supplies inventory management product. So we used to have just the premium package, and then we used to have the basic. And so now we're introducing starter and pro. And today I'm going to cover what is the main difference between these two packages. When you log in, or actually when you go to zensupplies.com, you will be able to scroll through and see that one is designed to help you bring your costs down using the authorized distributors. And another one is a home for all the distributors and manufacturers you purchase from. So it should give you a little bit of a hint of the difference between the two packages. But let's dive in. I'm going to go scroll through, and there will be some plan features that you will be able to go through and compare the starter, the pro, and then the major one, you will see the access to any distributors in one place, the live chat, custom pricing, so far and so on. So now let me go actually inside the package and show you the differences. So when you sign up with the starter package, both packages do not require any payment. So you literally can just go on and select on try it for free, or let's check what's the button here. So yep, try it now. As soon as you click on this button, it will take you into the login and registration page. Then you will see the confirmation email, and on the back end, our team will be able to review and check your license. And now once you're inside, you will be able to start using starter package with just Zen preferred vendors. So it's going to be a list of vendors here. So if I select that, that's a lot of distributors and a lot of products already selected for you. So let me just refresh this page. And it's probably going to ask me to log in. Give me 1 second. So as I'm logging in again, I will be able to select again Zen Preferred. And as I selected Zen Preferred, it gives me almost 10,941 products. So, and these are all negotiated prices. So you'll see Zen 26. And one of my favorite examples is lidocaine. So if I go into the lidocaine, and I've seen a lot of lidocaines, guys. The cheapest we have on a platform is $22.74. So most likely by the time this video is going to be on tutorials, it might get old, the prices will go up. But the point is you can start using the starter package without your vendors, just the vendors that we're suggesting, Zen Preferred, and get qualified for a lot of savings. iSmile Direct, IQ Dental, Healthcare Supplier, all these different companies. Check this out, Healthcare Supplier. We should probably remove lidocaine for Healthcare Supplier to make sure that it works. Yep. And so you'll see $250 for the 30K files, the hand file, right? All that stuff, the rotary. There's so much going on here. We added the office supply company. So let me check. Yep. And so the process is even within the starter, you just need to add it to the shopping cart. So the product's added into your shopping cart. And then this checkout process is very simple. We're just going to click on the checkout. You can say skip the price comparison and go right into the checkout. And then you enter the shipping address where you're going to be sending the packages. And it will tell you the shipments. Once you have the address ready to go, the system will calculate the shipping costs, and all you have to do is just say place your order. So it's very simple, very straightforward, just like any other platforms out there on the web, so that you can start placing orders. So I'm going to click the back button. So now what is the big difference between the starter and pro? The difference starts usually when you start adding your own vendors. So for example, if you are buying from Shine, if you are buying from Brasseler, if you are buying from Bisco and Ultradent, most likely you would want to add it so that you have all the vendors under one place. And in the future, within the next couple of months, we're going to be rolling out the feature that will control your budget. So if you click on more distributors, you'll be able to select some of the vendors that you use. So for example, let's select Nobel. And the system will prompt us to add a distributor. So if we click on add distributor, the system will say account number, username, and password. So as soon as you enter all that information, we will place this vendor into the pending until we verify all the client prices and all the information that we need. Once it's verified, it's technically good to go. So then you will be able to place the order for all these products right away. So now, again, the biggest difference between the starter and pro is just this section here where you can add the vendors that you're already using. So everything else would be pretty much the same, and you will see that you will be able to see my account. Under the my account, you have my profile, password, payment. You will see subscription details. So if you click here, This is where you will be able to delete your account if you decide to leave. And then here you'll have the referral program. So if you, for example, select show, and if you want to refer a friend, all you have to do is just enter the email address and you will qualify for a $25 credit, or I believe it's a 1 month of free subscription. So it's really fun when you start referring your friends. And then here you can confirm and see who already approved, who already signed up, and that way you will know that your credit is applied to your account. So I'm going to click the back button. So this is going to be my account. All the orders will be tracked in under the orders. And so you'll have open orders, closed orders listed here. And the verification process is super simple. We simplified it a lot more compared to the premium package. Then you can click on distributors, and that will be the list of all the vendors that you linked so far. So I'm going to click continue shopping. So again, the shopping experience as any other platform on the web. Just search the product, you can search the categories. It's a lot of different categories. And then select the distributors. And so a lot of times you can select preferred, you can select all of your other vendors, and you'll have a long list of products that you can look from. Okay, so that's going to be the big difference between the starter and pro. So the starter, just this list of vendors. Pro gives you additional list of vendors. And then within a pro package, you also have access to the live chat. So you can ask us any questions. And that's pretty much it. So we really hope that you guys enjoy using the Pro and the Starter, these two new packages. They're very straightforward. You can also click on the product. I forgot to cover the reviews. So you can go and click on the product, and it's so easy to write the reviews now. So you can literally, if you bought this item, you can click on rate this item. You can write what you think. So this is, what is it? Let's say it works great. 5 stars. Send, and our team will be able to review this, and we'll include it as part of the training, as part of the reviews for the product. And so if the system will find a price comparison, we'll show you here. SDS sheets will be shown here. Now the last part that I did not cover and I want to show you. So let's just say you're using Darby, Henry Schein, or any of your vendors of choice, and you added products into the shopping cart. So let's go ahead and click on it. So at any given point, we'll offer you a process where you can proceed to price comparison. And so this is our famous price comparison where you can look at the product and select which direction you want to go with. So for example, in this case, we selected already very low price vendors. So everything is already selected as the lowest price. There's not much to save. But imagine this, from the cart will be the Schein, the Patterson, some of the bigger names. We will definitely find something less expensive, and we'll show it to you here. You can adjust the quantities, and you can look up those product prices, and it's also going to give you the shipping information and the tax information. So once you're ready to proceed, you're just going to make your selection. You can click show more to see what are the options available. Obviously for lidocaine there's a lot available. You can even click on this lidocaine to read more about this product. And then all we have to do is proceed to checkout. It will bring us to the same page where we need to enter the shipping information, save. And once it's saved, it's literally just the shipments. You're looking at the shipment information, and then you're just going to click place your order, and that order is going to be automatically submitted to the vendors, and then it will show up under the orders here. So we really hope it helps, and we really hope that this platform will simplify the purchasing for you and the control of inventory management and supplies. Thank you.